start of this first meeting of the Network of World Heritage Sites in the OECS.
So I'd like to welcome all of you from across the region as we participate in this presentation to ensure that the trust assets passed on to us by our ancestors can be kept in good standing for future generations.
World Heritage is one of my personal passions, and I've been working on this for a while, and I've seen the ups and the downs. Looking forward to the establishment of this network and including new exciting places in the World Heritage list for the Eastern Caribbean and the Caribbean overall.
As we speak to World Heritage Sites, you may be aware that we do have a major site in the Montreal National Park. It encapsulates a number of natural features: waterfalls, boiling lakes, freshwater lakes, number of rivers. And we realized that the preservation of the heritage and world heritage and the natural space is important for a number of reasons. We realized that the World Heritage Sites help to preserve culture as a critical part of our movement.
That is our job. How can we ensure that our actions in these spaces can not just maintain them, but improve them where we can?
It's also important that the work that you do continues to drive what happens at the policy level.
It's exciting to see how much progress the Caribbean overall has done in World Heritage, regardless. But I have to say also that most of the promotion of World Heritage in the Caribbean has been on the cultural side. There are so many sites that have been established, and not so many natural sites. So something to consider because of the wealth of biodiversity that we know we have in the Caribbean that the world should know about and should be showcased through the World Heritage mechanism.
You have a major responsibility to pass a array of information to a new generation.